So you've seen how to create a pod using declarative approach, which is by simply having this YAML file and then you specify a bunch of key value pairs, so on and so forth. Now with Kubernetes, we have tons of these resources that we can create. Now what I want to show you is with kubectl, how do you see the list of all resources? So if I go back to my terminal in here, what I want to do is type kubectl and then API dash and then resources. Now check this out. So in here, what I want to show you is if I scroll to the top, have a look, we have the name and we have the short name, right? And you can see the API version, whether it's namespaced or not, and then the kind. So let's focus on pods in here. So the name is pods. It has a short name PO. The version is 1, and then it is namespaced in here, and then the kind is pod. So if I go back in here, have a look, API version v1, the kind is pod. If I go back to my terminal in here, so have a look, so PO is the short name. So in here, if I type kubectl get, and then I can say PO or pods. So I say PO. So there we go. It's the exact same thing as me saying pods. So if I type kubectl API resources once more, you can see that we have a bunch of other resources right here. So we're going to learn some of these resources throughout this course, and on the more advanced course on Kubernetes, then we explore even further resources. But this is a great way for you to familiarize with the resources that Kubernetes has to offer. So I think so far you've seen services in here, secrets, pods, nodes right here. So if I type kubectl get and then no for nodes, there we go. We have 2 nodes, and you've seen this throughout this course. I think you also have seen, so in here, if I scroll up, so deployments, replica sets, and I think daemon sets as well, right? But don't worry, we're going to explore some of the resources throughout this course. If you have any questions, drop me a message. Otherwise, catch me on the next one.